Imagine a time when Earth didn't exist. No oceans, no mountains, just an endless void of darkness and chaos. Then, boom! A cosmic explosion sends shockwaves across the universe. Particles collide, stars ignite, and from this chaos, something extraordinary begins to take shape. But how did our planet, this blue, life-filled sphere, come to be? Billions of years ago, forces beyond imagination sculpted the Earth from fire and destruction. It's a story that seems straight out of science fiction, except it's all real. In the next few minutes, I'll unravel the incredible tale of Earth's birth, from the fiery dawn of the solar system to the very first spark of life. Get ready for an adventure that spans billions of years in just 5 minutes. Let's begin. It all started 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, an explosion so powerful that it created everything we know. Space, time, energy, everything burst into existence in a fraction of a second. Fast forward 9 billion years, and the universe had evolved into vast galaxies filled with swirling clouds of gas and dust. Then, something incredible happened. A colossal cloud collapsed under its own gravity, igniting a massive fireball at its center, the birth of our sun. But the sun wasn't alone. Around it, leftover gas and dust swirled violently, colliding and sticking together to form the first building blocks of planets. Some were flung into the abyss, while others, like Earth, found the perfect spot, a safe distance from the raging inferno of the sun. Yet in these early days, Earth wasn't the blue planet we know today. It was nothing more than a molten, lifeless rock caught in a cosmic dance of destruction and creation. But that was only the beginning. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a vision of chaos, a molten world of fire and fury. Rivers of lava stretched as far as the eye could see, and the air was thick with toxic gases. And then came the violence. Asteroids and comets bombarded the young planet, each impact shaking the very foundation of this newborn world. But nothing was more catastrophic than Theia, a Mars-sized planet that smashed into Earth with unimaginable force. The impact was apocalyptic. Debris was blasted into space, forming a ring of fiery rubble that over time came together to create something we now take for granted, the Moon. But the chaos didn't last forever. Slowly, the planet began to cool. Steam from volcanic eruptions condensed, and for the first time, rain began to fall. Over millions of years, the relentless storms filled massive craters, giving birth to Earth's very first oceans. Water, the key to life, had arrived. And with it, the next great chapter in Earth's story was about to begin. With Earth's fiery past behind it, a new transformation began. The once hellish planet was now covered in vast oceans, its skies thick with swirling clouds, but something was missing: life. Then, deep in these ancient waters, something extraordinary happened. The right mix of chemicals, energy from lightning and volcanic heat sparked the birth of the first microscopic life forms, simple, single-celled organisms. They were tiny, almost insignificant, but they would change everything. Over millions of years, these microscopic pioneers released oxygen, slowly shaping the air we breathe today. Life had taken hold, and Earth would never be the same again. What started as a lifeless rock was now a planet on the brink of something incredible, the evolution of complex life. And that brings us to the final part of our journey. From chaos to creation, fire to water, destruction to life, Earth's journey has been nothing short of miraculous. What started as a swirling cloud of dust and gas became a world of oceans and mountains, storms and skies, and against all odds, life found a way. Every tree, every creature, every breath we take is part of this incredible story, one that began billions of years ago and continues to unfold today. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember this: our planet was born from the same cosmic dust that fills the universe. And in a way, we are all made of stardust. If you loved this journey through time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more mind-blowing stories of our universe. Until next time, stay curious.